radioactivity atoms have unstable nuclei which change or decay into atom of a different element when they emit alpha or beta particles. The decay is spontaneous and cannot be controlled. Also, it does not matter whether the material is pure or combined chemically with something else. Alpha decay. An alpha particle is a helium nucleus having 2 protons and 2 neutrons, and when an atom is decayed by emission of an alpha particle, its nucleon number decreases by 4 and its proton number by 2. For an example, when radium of nucleon number 226 and proton number 88 emits an alpha particle, you can see that it decays to radon of nucleon number of 222 and proton number of 86. We can also write on this equation form. You can see that mass number of 226 radium and atomic number of 88, it gives for that mass number of 222 radon, atomic number of 86 plus helium nuclei mass number of 4 and atomic number of 2. The value of mass number and atomic number must be balanced on both sides of equation since nucleons and charge are conserved. Beta decay. In beta decay, a neutron changes to a proton and an electron. The proton remains in a nucleus and the electron is emitted as a beta particle. The new nucleus has a same nucleon number, but its proton number increased by 1 since it has one more proton. You can also see that a radioactivity carbon, it is called as a carbon 14, decays by beta emission to nitron. You can see the equation method. 14 mass number of carbon and atomic number 6, it gives for a mass number of 14 nitrogen, atomic number of 7, and it is give for that beta emission. A particle called an antineutrino with no charge and negligible mass, it is also emitted in beta decay. Not only that, a beta decay is often referred to as just a beta decay. Positron. Positron are subatomic particle with the same mass and an electron but with the opposite charge. They are emitted in some decay process as a beta particle. Their rocks can be seen in a bubble chamber photographs. The symbol for a positron is mass number of 0 plus 1 atomic number. In beta decay, a proton in a nucleus is converted to a neutron and a positron. For an example, you can see the equation method. Mass number of 64 copper and atomic number of 29, it is gives for a mass number of 64 nitrogen and mass number of. For an example, in this reaction you can see that 64 mass number of copper and atomic number of 29, this is gives for a 64 mass number of nitrogen, atomic number 28 and plus beta decay. A neutrino is also emitted in beta decay. Neutrino are emitted from a sun in larger number, but they rarely interact with a matter, so they are very difficult to detect. Antineutrinos and positrons are the antiparticles of neutrinos and electrons, respectively. If the particle and it is antiparticle collide, they annihilated each other, producing energy in the form of gamma rays. Gamma emission. After emitting an alpha particle, beta particle, some nucleus are left in a excited state. Rearrangement of protons and neutrons occurs and a burst of gamma ray is released.